be calling you sugar, 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 baby, 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 apple pie, gorgeous, my hobby. Okay, guys, if you are new to our channel, guys, please subscribe to our channel, share this video, share. Hello my friends, hello ladies, hello everyone. You are welcome back to my channel, friends. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If it is your first time of seeing my video, hello, my name is Becky. Thank you so much, guys, for stop by. In today's video, guys, I want to speak about bay. Bay leaf is about money, manifestation, love, manifestation, good karma, calm spirit. That is what the bay represents. So we're gonna be using bay and pink salt to get rid of side chick. In Nigeria they say side chick, or to protect your love, to surround your loved one, or your sister, or your partner, your husband, just to protect your husband, you know. And guys, I really want you to always have a red candle, maybe sometime in the evening or at night. You, like me, I have different red candle. Write your partner or your spouse name, any red candle. Do that and make sure you light it. Just light it, like get a lovely nice red candle, just burn it, just leave it in the corridor that is safe. So always when you are burning your red candle, always put your love, your spouse name on top, your spouse on top, or your husband on top, and your name down. Just use a nice feather. I like using white feather when I'm doing my spiritual something. So you use it and you write, get a white feather is for love, karma. Then you use it. So I'm going to do a video about that. So in today's video, we're going to be using bay. Okay, there's a way, many different way you can use bay leaf. I've already said that bay leaf is money manifestation, love manifestation. So in today's video, if you have a relationship that is going under another direction, when you are doing your spiritual thing, guys, you have to use sage or Palo Santo to get rid of a negative hand, because some people, they might be doing menstruation, they've touched your remedy or whatsoever that you want to use for your spiritual. Even though you are not using my website or my site here to do your love thing, always purify your stuff with a Palo Santo, sage, mugwort. Get rid of bad spirits, purify your stuff, charge it with your hand, your own energy. Charge your thing, so that it will know all these still living things or non living things. They have here spirit, their spirit, there's a spirit that makes this thing grow, isn't it? So I'm going to be share with you. So we use pink pen. You really have to know your husband name and the mother name, not the father. It's we woman that we know who is the father of our child. Yeah, just get the mother name. Make sure you know the mother of your husband. So what you are going to be doing, you are just trying, you are using everything that God created to save your marriage. You don't want to be can't. I learned from harder way, guys. To be honest, I really learned. You can see me and my spouse as well. Almost we are deaf. So I learned from harder way. So you write the mother of your spouse here or anywhere here, and you do your 3 cross. You know, we are doing love thing, 3 cross and 4 cross at the back. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, 1, making 7. Okay, 3 in the front, 3 here at the front, 3 cross, and 4, 3 and 4, making 7. Like hallelujah. So it has to be 7. If you're a spiritual person, you will know about all this love. We are doing love spell. That is what we are doing. We are woman. we are married, we have children, we don't want to be calculate husband, one house like me. So here, that's it. And when you've done this, you're gonna get a black pen, and your husband's name is the mother, the mother name. Let's say the mother name is Joy. Put Joy here. Put Joy. And Joy, your husband, Joy, mother. Just put Joy. You can put him. Straight no, it's mother. And your spouse. Let's say, yeah, David. And you're gonna do this. You don't stop. You see, we chain and you chain with cross or whatsoever. You've chained it. That's it. The last number, you chain that. That's it. And you get real honey, organic honey. This honey is from my country. That is the last bottle. So here you rub the honey. You rub it. Not in the front. You rub it there. And what does this does? If your husband have a side shake, or your boyfriend have a side shake, you know, he will be confessed to you by mistake. Not really mistake. You know, he'll be calling you, honey, you know what, I'm sorry, I have a side shake, I have a girlfriend, I don't even know what. He will just be talking like a parrot, like the way I'm talking. And you will see changes. Because you bond David, mother, and Joy, the mother, and you've put cross, and you are going to say what you want before you burn it. You're going to measure your name 3 times. Like say, my name is Anna. I'm in love with David. David's a song of joy. I'm calling you. I want you to respect me. I want you to love me. Whoever that is in your heart that is making you to not listen to me, as I'm burning this, I'm burning your love, everything into pieces. Come back to me and come and confess. You know, you just say something because you are going to burn this, and you're going to, when you burn it, is either you dump the ashes, or you bury it, or you dump it into the bin. Not in your house now. You don't do it, or you dump it in the water that you will never see it again. You don't drop it into your back garden, or when you are driving, just blow it. Let it go to the atmosphere or into the water. They have living soul or not living, they have here. You remember 3 cross here in the front, 4 in the back, your honey. And you chain the mother of David, and the Joy, the mother name is in the ear, the front, and the David under. Then you chain it. You chain them together. Need pink salt, guys. Get yourself a pink salt. Sometimes all these things we will see it in supermarket, we don't even know the use of it. Is a problem that push people to know the meaning of all this. Okay, we're going to burn this, man. We're going to. If it's not from camera, I have my own thing that I do here when I'm burning my thing. It's my life. I'm not wishing anybody bad. I'm tired to be doing it alone. If you're a single mom like me, you are tired of somebody to take your, if you're a long distance relationship like me, hello. If I can pray, I will pray. If I want to do this thing fast, quick, you see? It doesn't waste time. You don't put your name there. You don't put your name, my darling. You don't. You can see my thing. I don't hide anything. As long as I didn't do anything wrong. Get feathers. White feathers. I use it a lot. Make sure it's not. So that's why I just make sure. You see. You are not going to bury it in your house. You are not going to blow it in your house. You're going to blow it. Wherever they are, they will fight. Your husband will be calling you honey. Your husband will be talking like honey. You see, petty, beauty, gorgeous. The name that is called it the shy shake. So use this guy. You see? Pink for love. You don't need to say anything with this sort. They are going together. Together they are going. So the pink is a love manifestation. Burn into ashes. Mix them together. You are dumping it. You'll see changes. Be calling you sugar, sugar, sugar. Baby, baby, baby. Apple pie, apple pie. Gorgeous, my hobby. Okay, guys, if you are new to our channel, guys, please subscribe to our channel. Share this video. Share. Stay blessed. Bye for now.